In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change name in Google Chat. If you want your updated name to appear in Google Chat, the important thing to know is that Google Chat uses the name connected to your Google account. So instead of changing it directly inside Chat, you'll be updating it through your Google account settings. Once that's done, the new name should carry across to Google services linked to that account. To begin, go to your Google account settings. You can get there from your Google environment, such as Gmail, and open the account area where your settings are managed. This is the main place where your personal account details live, including the name that appears across Google products. Once you're in your Google account, look to the left-hand column and click on Personal Info. This section contains the core details associated with your account, like your basic profile information. If you don't immediately see it, just take a moment to scan the menu on the left until you find it. After that, click on Name. This opens the name settings for your Google account and shows you the current name attached to it. Since Google Chat pulls from this profile information, this is the exact area you need to update. Next, click on your current name to begin editing it. This will take you into the editable fields where you can make your changes. Be sure you're changing the correct profile information before continuing, especially if you manage more than one Google account in the same browser. Now click into the first name field and enter your new first name. Then click into the surname field and enter your surname. Take a second to review both fields carefully for spelling, capitalization, and spacing, because this is how your name may appear to other people in Google Chat and other Google services. When everything looks right, click Save. That confirms the change and updates your Google account name. After saving, give it a little time if you don't see the new name appear everywhere immediately. In many cases, the update happens quickly, but some Google services may take a short while to refresh. If needed, you can reload Google Chat or sign out and back in later to check whether the change has appeared. And that's all it takes to change your name in Google Chat by updating your Google account profile. Once the account name is changed successfully, your Google Chat identity should reflect that update as well.